In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add tasks to favorites in ClickUp, so you can quickly access those crucial jobs without endlessly scrolling through your workspace. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Okay, let's start with step 1. Log in to ClickUp. Open the ClickUp app or go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the ClickUp workspace where the task you want to favorite is located. Now navigate to the workspace containing the task. You can do this by clicking on the workspace name in the top left corner. Next, locate the task you want to favorite. You'll see a list of all your tasks, so find the one you want to add to your favorites. Once you've found it, click 3 dots next to the task name. Don't worry, it's a pretty standard ClickUp interface, so it's easy to spot. Now click the star icon. This is the key step. This is what actually adds the task to your favorites. As you click the star, you'll notice that it changes color, confirming that the task has been added. It's a nice visual cue. Wait for the icon to become highlighted. This confirmation usually takes just a second or two, but it's important to give it a moment to process. Once the star is highlighted, you know the task has successfully been added to your favorites. Confirm that the task has been added to your favorites. You'll now see the task listed in your favorites section. This section is located on the left-hand side of your ClickUp workspace, and it's designed to give you instant access to all your favorite tasks. You can quickly see all your prioritized tasks at a glance. And there you have it. You've just successfully added a task to favorites in ClickUp. This simple step will save you valuable time and effort when managing your workflow. Now you can easily find and refocus on those tasks that matter most. Don't forget to explore the favorites section regularly to keep your most important tasks top of mind. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next ClickUp tutorial.